Okay, another example of rationalizing the denominator. Now in this case, the denominator is a binomial of 5 plus square root of 2. Every time when you have a binomial with the root in the denominator, what you want to do is that, well, specifically square root, what you want to do is that you want to find the conjugate of the denominator, and then you multiply the conjugate of the denominator to the numerator and to the denominator itself. And that will be how you get rid of all of the roots in this case, okay? Well, a conjugate of a binomial with the root can be found by keeping the two terms, specifically 5 and square root of 2, and negates the sign. So that means that the conjugate of this denominator is going to be keeping the 5, keeping the square root of 2, but now instead of add, you subtract, like that. And of course, you have to multiply the conjugate to the numerator as well. Now with this step, all you have to do is that you FOIL it. So in the numerator, if you FOIL 3 to 5, well, you got 3 times 5. If you FOIL positive 3 to negative square root of 2, that would be plus 3 times negative square root of 2. All over, FOILing 5 to 5, you got 5 times 5. FOILing 5 to negative square root of 2, you would have plus 5 times negative square root of 2. FOILing positive square root of 2 to positive 5, you got plus square root of 2 times 5. And then the same thing for these two. Okay, you would have plus square root of 2 multiplying square root of 2. Well, this step is just multiplying simple numbers. So 3 times 5 is 15. Positive 3 multiplying negative square root of 2 is going to be minus 3 square root of 2. Divided by 5 times 5, 25. Positive 5 times negative square root of 2 is minus 5 square root of 2. Positive square root of 2 multiplying positive 5 is plus 5 square root of 2. Positive square root of 2 multiplying negative square root of 2 is minus 2 raised to the 1/2 plus 1/2. Okay, because again, remember, square root is the exponential power of positive 1/2. So positive times negative is negative. Square root of 2 multiplying square root of 2 means keeping the 2 and add the 2 square root. Or more specifically speaking, add the 2 exponents of positive 1/2. But then again, in the middle of simplifying this problem, take a look. Minus 5 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of 2 are the opposite of each other. So you get to cancel these two out. So numerator is 15 minus 3 times square root of 2 over 25 minus, well, let's see, 1/2 plus 1/2 is just it's just positive 1. So you got minus 2 raised to the positive 1. But anything raised to the positive 1 it's just that thing itself. So 2 raised to the first is just 2. Guess what? 25 minus 2 is 23. And this is the simplified form of this problem. Okay, we cannot simplify any further because 23 is a prime numbers. And because it is a prime numbers, even if we were to separate this fraction into two different fractions with a common denominator of 23, we would not be able to simplify any of those two fractions, simply because of the fact that 23 is a prime number, meaning that all of its multiplicative factors are only 23 itself and positive 1, okay? All right, you guys, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.